Hey friend, this is Eric from Miller Music, and what I want to talk about today is how I customized this Fender Player Stratocaster guitar. And one of the things that I think is so great about Strats, in particular either the American made or the made in Mexico Strats, is that you can customize them to however you want. You can virtually replace any part on the guitar and make it how you like it to sound, how you like it to feel. So there's so many different options. And today what I want to talk about is 3 things that I did to this guitar to really customize it to how I liked it. And hopefully you can find some inspiration or some help in that if you're looking to customize your Strat. Let's jump right in. Okay, so this is a 2021 Fender Player Stratocaster. And the first thing that I did with it was I got it and I wasn't really excited about the neck. So I decided to replace the neck, and what I ended up going with is a roasted maple neck, and I really love the look of the neck. It's got this darker color to it than your average maple, and it has a Paul Ferrero fretboard on it, which is kind of cool. It's kind of Fender's way of they don't put rosewoods on a lot of their made in Mexico necks anymore. But one thing that I did do to it is I added some lemon oil to the neck because basically the neck gets a little bit lighter, you'll find. So you can darken it up by adding some lemon oil to the neck. But other than that, I really like it. And I find that these roasted maple necks give the Strat a little bit of a warmer, darker tone. Not just because they're darker in color, but they literally sound a little bit darker than the brightness of your maple fretboard. And I'm going to play this in a second, but the second thing that is different about this guitar is that there is Fender Custom Shop pickups. So with any Player Strat or any Strat, you can replace the pickups. You can replace just one of the pickups or all 3, and that's often one of the things that's different from the Mexican Strats versus the American Strats, is that the pickups are a lot better. And the electronics. So this is the Fender Custom Shop Fat 50 pickups, which they sound awesome. I really like them. They sound like a traditional Strat pickup, but they have a little extra low end. That's why they're probably called Fat 50s than the regular vintage 50 pickups would sound. Also, if you put it in positions either 2 or 4, it cancels out the hum, which is kind of cool too. And the third thing that I did, which is a fairly common electronics configuration, is if you rewire the pickups so that I put a push-pull tone control here. And what it does is when you activate this, it will do it so the bridge pickup and the neck pickup are playing together. So you get this kind of cool Telecaster sound to the guitar. And then if you put it in, if you put it all the way in the back or the front, then you get both of these. But if you put it in position 2 or 4, what you get is actually all 3 pickups. So it gives this kind of silky, kind of even enhanced Strat tone to it. So let's just check that out and see what it sounds like. This is just the Fender Fat 50 pickups. Again, you're going to hear a little bit warmer of a tone because of the roasted maple neck, I believe. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this tone, what you think of these pickups in the guitar. For the demo today, I'm running a Fender Blues Junior 15-watt tube amp, and I'm running it through the Keeley Tone Workstation distortion and compressor, as well as the Keeley Clean Boost and the Walrus ARP87 delay pedal and Electro-Harmonix Oceans 11 reverb. All right, let's hear what this sounds like. So that's positions 2. Here's the neck pickup. pretty cool. Definitely sounds like a Stratocaster. If you play this clean, here's positions 4. So one of the things I love about the Strat is the clean tones. You just can't beat clean tones on a Stratocaster. And finally, now this is if I'm going to activate the bridge pickup and the neck pickup together. Let's hear what that sounds like. Put a little bit of distortion. So, very Telecaster. Do you hear that kind of sound with the neck and the bridge together? Yeah, so here it is with all 3 pickups now. Cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Leave me a comment. What do you think of these pickups? Some of these different electronic configurations, even if you can hear a difference in the neck. Also, in the description below, there's a link for a free Great Guitar Tone checklist. If you'd like to download that, if you found this video helpful, click that link below. And what it is a free 5-step guide to getting a great guitar tone from your guitar using all of your current gear. So just how to just get 5 quick tips on how to get great tone out of your current gear. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.